Hello everyone. So this video is regarding a data related tool that I have found on Google. I was searching for a data pipeline related tool or data set related tool on Google. So I found this Gretel named product or a website. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just doing it for some content creation, but I think this tool is good. So let's see what we can get out of this tool. So it according to like me, when I go through this site, so it basically gives us some synthetic data. See, we understand a lot of data set of websites are already there, but we may not know that these data are right according to the industry standards, kind of variations that you want in the data set for the right model to be trained. So this is a synthetic data platform for developers. So it simply says that it generates artificial data sets with the same characteristics as the real data. So you can develop and test the AI models without compromising the privacy. This is how it is for two things to start for free and contact sales also. I'm not going to do any demo. Just I'm going doing a simple walk around of how this site looks and what it provides to us. So why Gretel? Why should we use Gretel? It is a community with more with safe access to the right data. See, as I know, and you also know, if you're in the data industry, the right data is important for the model training. This is what this site says about. The complete multi-modal synthetic data platform generate accurate and safe synthetic data on demand. So on demand, they can generate data for us. So they have some APIs make it simple to generate anonymized and safe synthetic data, so you can innovate faster and preserve privacy while doing it. So it basically says the trained generative models that learn the statistical properties of your data. So whatever the data that they gave us, we can use it to train the models. Then we can also validate on the same data and generate new things out of the model that we have trained. Developer ready product focus. Get started with the synthetic data generation in less than 5 minutes. So it basically says that deploy Gretel for enterprise use cases. I would like to go with this Google Cloud. So what we can do with Gretel on Google Cloud to leverage synthetic data for enterprise AI for Gretel on Google Cloud. So there can be some situations when you want to make some application or develop a model for your enterprise, but you don't have enterprise data. Then you can use this uh, Gretel on Google Cloud platform for to train your models for enterprise kind of application. So generate high quality, safe synthetic data with Gretel to power your ML use cases with Vertex AI, BigQuery, and the rest of Gemini family. So these are the things or features that you get in Google Cloud Platform. So this is a form that you have to fill to access the data or this functionality. Is your ML AI roadmap blocked by data sharing limitations or lack of data? Then again, you have the data from Gretel. I want to say again that this is not any sponsored video. I'm just doing a video for my video content. Start using Gretel on GCP with the Stack Hero and Love. So if someone wants to work with the Vertex AI or BigQuery, they can use with this on a Google Cloud platform. Connect started with Gretel's BigQuery connector. So I'm just assuming that if you are using BigQuery, then you can use this connector to connect the data. So this is a workflow that they say they have a customer Google Cloud environment, and this is a Gretel Cloud. So this is the whole. I'm not able to understand right now, but I'll just make sure that 1 or 2 days after this video, I'll make a video on this life cycle, what it actually says. So how deployment of Gretel on GCP actually works. I'll make the video on this definitely one day. or after 2 or 3 days. Yes. Let's go back to our previous site. Again, this is Gretel is on Google Cloud also, AWS also, and Azure also. Let's see what this Azure says. What we can do with Azure. Unlock the power of multi-modal synthetic data in your enterprise. Again, for enterprise applications, if you want to make any model using AWS, then you can use AWS along with Gretel. HSBC, Remina, and Riot Games are using Gretel and AWS. Roadmap blocked by Augment AI training with synthetic tabular text series, time series, and relational data. Time series data simply like whenever you take data from time to time at regular intervals and see the trends and predict the future that can happen. And Gretel is now available on AWS SageMaker. In the same way that we saw that it is available on GCP. In the same way, it is available on AWS. Here, this is again a workflow of how you can integrate the Gretel Cloud with AWS SageMaker. Yeah, this is something interesting. Yes. Now again, it is in the same way you can work with Azure. Yeah. So right, I went to some career sites also. So they are hiring for some data scientist related roles. Let's see what roles they have. They have in sales, enterprise account executive, applied research senior to principal, applied scientist, engineering staff, software engineering, solutions engineering, product. They, but these are US and Canada based roles. I think, yeah, who's the CEO and co-founder of Gretel, Ali Kolshan. He's CEO and co-founder of Gretel. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, the Gretel site. Now let's see what are the use cases. I will look at the healthcare because I have made several videos on healthcare. So it is EHR data, electronic health records, uh, to make healthcare related ML models. Yeah, I will be mentioning this website in my description so that you can go through the website. That is a good tool, I think. So I don't know who has used it or not, like, or someone has made video on this or not, but I'm just making this video. Power generative AI with synthetic data, augment LLM training datasets with Gretel to improve for performance and ensure safety across LLM ops lifecycle. So it is large language models of operations, I think so, because DevOps is same like LLM ops, something like that only. Data challenge of publicly available data. Further extracting value from these models involves additionally training on new or privacy data. This last mile training presents AI teams with challenges related to data privacy, quality, and availability. Gretel solution. Gretel empowers organizations to accelerate the LLM deployment via safe access to synthetic data. Gretel's platform provides the end-to-end capabilities of generating, evaluating, and operationalizing synthetic data for LLM training at scale. Whether fine-tuning an LLM, implementing RAG, this is a retrieval augmented generation, or building your own proprietary foundational models, synthetic data improves performance and ensures safety across LLM ops lifecycle. Key benefits: improve LLM performance, faster time to value, safe ML training resources. Okay, again with Soji and safe data sharing, improve ML robustness. Let's we go for finance industry. How finance industry uses its data. The same way for EHR data, electronic health records, you can also create some financial related data for financial models in the same way. Okay, so I think here I'll wrap my video. Uh, yeah, in the description you can go to the website and see the different job openings you have. Bye bye.